Yeah.
Second year in a row you've come here and lit up the scrimmage is pretty good. I mean, what kind of a feeling is that to come to these camps and kind of put on a little show?
Yeah, I mean, I think I just got lucky getting put on a good team.
No.
No, I think you just you want to go out there and have fun, and you play your best when you're having fun. So.
I know these camps are about sort of learning, some of the techniques of the game, the power skating and that, but you get into these little tournaments, so they're competitive juices. I mean, how much does that kind of get going to kind of feel the puck a little bit in the game situation?
Yeah, for sure. I think just as soon as the 3-on-3 tournaments start, you just want to showcase your skill, and everyone's out here just being creative. So I think that's what makes the 3-on-3 tournament so fun.
Second camp, what have you learned from camp 1 to camp 2 that's kind of helped you, be a little bit better player?
I think just learning how to use my speed more, and with this power skating, learning how to shift your weight, and just all the different techniques goes a long way.
Stuff you probably never thought about before
Yeah.
last year.
Oh
Right?
yeah, for sure.
What did you think of Cole getting drafted?
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Just because I was on his line down in Sioux City, so as soon as he got picked, I gave him a call, and it's pretty crazy that happened.
When you can score so many goals, you've got Steve Eisenman up top watching you, you got John Cooper up there watching you. It's got to feel pretty good to put on that kind of show in front of those guys.
Yeah, it definitely feels good, but you just want to go out there and have fun. I think that's just the biggest thing.
What do you think, having talked to people before, would be a big adjustment for you going from the USHL, to Division I college next year, especially a program like Minnesota?
Yeah, I think just the biggest thing is just getting stronger, and you're playing with bigger guys and more mature players. So I think just keep using my speed and getting stronger.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks, appreciate it.